Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Henry Sisila Naweo. I will tell you about Kera Island. Kera Island is an island located in the village of Uesu Semau District Kupang Regency, East Nusa Tenggara Province. This island is a favorite tourist spot on the edge of Kupang City. Indonesia is known as an archipelago that has many beautiful islands. One island that has extraordinary beauty is Kera Island, located in East Nusa Tenggara. For those of you who miss the beach atmosphere, you can visit this place by inviting your beloved friends, relatives, and family. Kera Island is classified as unspoiled and has not been touched by human ignorant hands. This island is very comfortable and beauty perfect for those of you who are looking for a place to calm down. The area of this tourist island is approximately 43 hectares with a charm of stunning natural beauty. This entire island also has exotic beaches with white sand and clear sea water. Kera Island attracts tourists. If you look carefully, the harmony of the natural panorama on this beach is very interesting. This is a big magnet to attract tourists to visit immediately. Tourists can walk along the island while enjoying this Kupang Beach attraction. This tourist land on Kera Island has white sand with clear Tosca green water. The land contour in this tourist area is also flat, so you don't have to climb the high path like a hill. In the area of Kera Island, there are coconut and pine trees that are tall and large. The growth of trees and can reduce the hot air on Kera Island. Most of the residential areas are located in the western part of the island. Only a few people live in the east. This is because in the west of Kera Island, the waves are quite calm. As for the eastern part, the character of the sea waves is quite large, even causing an alarming abrasion maybe because there are no protective plants planted nearby. This is cause has a building that looks like a smile like those overlooking the Zafu Sea, precisely located in the southeastern part of the island. Apart from enjoying your time walking along the beach, you can also do other challenging activities. In the Kera Island area, you can do diving or snorkeling. This is beautiful. This natural tourist area has beautiful and interesting views of underwater life. Visitors are also allowed to fish because the fish here are quite diverse and beautiful. In the afternoon has arrived, you can enjoy a stunning sunset view. You can enjoy the scenery and also take satisfying photo shoot. Look for the right and interesting spot to watch the beautiful sunset. That way you can pass a beautiful day with a wonderful experience too. The journey that must be taken to arrive at Kera Island may be tiring because you have to travel by sea, but take it easy because you will be spoiled by the beauty of the stunning blue ocean views while on the trip. Because in the tourist area there is no special dock, therefore when you get off the boat try to take your sandals and then head to the beach area. The view of the beauty of the sea, which has a clear Tosca screen color with a backdrop of the city of Kupang, which can be seen from a distance, make your travel time more quality. Kara Island facilities because it is classified as a beautiful tourist area. The facilities on Kara Island are only basic. There are also no food stalls here that sell food or drinks. But for those of you who are Muslim and want to worship, you can go to the mosque in the west. The existence of this mosque is because most of the Bajo residents in this tourist area embrace Islam. For those of you who are traveling on Kera Island, it is advisable to bring your own supplies from the city of Kupang. You can prepare enough food and drink so that your trip is not hampered. Opening hour and entrance ticket price for Kera Island. This Monkey Island tour is open every day for 24 hours because it is near residential area. Meanwhile, the entrance ticket price is free of charge because it is not one of the tourist attraction managed by the government. It's just that maybe when there are local residents on board, you will be charged an adequate entrance fee, including if you need a guide to guide your tour. Kera Island location and routes. Kera Island address is the S. Ujaman Sulamu Regency, Kupang Regency, NTT. This tourist destination is flanked by Timor Island and Semau Island. The Kera Island tourist route can be accessed through the Oiba fishing port, Tenau port, or it can be the Oisapa port with a travel duration of about 2 hours. For those of you who want to visit this island, you can rent a boat as a means of sea transportation. This is because this natural tourist area does not have regular vehicles. Kera Island, one day interesting natural tourist destination that are served in East Nusa Tenggara Province to be purchased in the village of Yuwasiswa Kupang District. For those of you who visit Kupang, this natural attraction is a pity not to be visited. You can enjoy vacation time with a satisfying expression with friends and family. This natural tourist is different from the scenery that is served in other tourist areas. In this tourist spot, you can find a beach with clear Tosca, green water, and soft white sand. You can also enjoy a stunning sunset view at dusk. Make sure not to forget to bring a camera or cell phone with full battery to capture every beautiful moment on this Kera Island. So many description of the Kera Island. Hopeful it will be useful for all of you. Thank you.